This is a sunrise. Full on sunrise shot. Should be a good drive, should get some good shots and everything like that. Yeah. Alright, just filling up for this drive. I think I put about 45 pounds we're doing. Actually 50 pounds doing. Sheesh.
Who put the kids on the hit list? Who put the crisp in the biscuits? Man like Fonzie got missing though. I'm a Robinson, I don't live in Bow. If you don't know, man, that's a living goat. I rep East London with the realest quotes. Right accent, you're to the right accent. Fuck that, so I see it to Heathrow. Fly at sea, galancy, double chest, spiffy, absency. Lay it down, lay it down. I will come to your shoes and lay it down. Driveway wasting, cast it out. Two configures, I will come to your bar mitzvah and lay it down. I will come to your Holy Communion and lay it down. I will come to your Hindu and made in money. Pimpin', that's slick. Got a bottle of cologne that costs more than your rent.
Fuck y'all mad at me for. Got a black card and a black phantom with a white bitch in Idaho. You Kanye, Ale Boombaye, Ale Boombaye. My lawyer threw them gloves on and beat another case. Fuck y'all mad at me for. Cause my belt got 2 G's on it, her bag got 2 C's on it. My daughter stroller got D's on it. Whoa. Free Big Me, Street Boosie and C murder. Like New Orleans, like Baltimore, come to Compton, you'll see murders. And my ARC murders. Best beef, nigga, no burgers.
The job's not proud of bed. This one's long but small like Nave. Pick up them cases, don't wanna care. Out there on the block and they know we're warm. First wanna search for hammers, I know that they hope they're warm. 2L show love to the bells. Only go when it's
I try to they've gone past the camera. Try it.
They act tough like we ain't seen no crime, big
Go
smoke,
on.
K-trap. Way before we had Rolex watches, boy, it was scheming time. Pull up in 4 Rolls Royces, look at them racist faces.
At
I know they
Meadowhall
can't stand
roundabout, take the third exit onto Tinsley Viaduct,
wow.
A631.
You missed the exit? No, it's 3 miles, 3 miles. 3 miles left.
Yeah, at the place.
You don't have to pass any up yet, mate. You can chat for about another 15-20 minutes.